typing notes, you can save the file in the computer. Let's learn how to save a Notepad file. Click on the File menu and click on Save. Do you see the Save As dialog box on screen? Browse to the folder where you want to save the file. In the File Name box, enter the file name. Let's enter My Family here. Click on the Save button. Look at the title bar. Do you see any change? Yes, the file name My Family appears on the title bar in the place of word Untitled. Now, let's close the file. Click on the File menu and click Exit. The file and the Notepad application both are closed.